Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we will be learning how to add users and configure roles for each user. Okay, now let's get started. First, let's add a user. Adding a user is very simple and will allow multiple people to access the company file at once. From our dashboard, we want to hover over the company navigation and select User Security from the drop-down. From this screen, we will need to enter the new user's full name and email address, and then select a role from the drop-down. ZarMoney will have preset roles to choose from. I'm going to give my business partner, Chloe, full access to the books and records, and then I'm going to click Add New. A pop-up will appear notifying us that Chloe has an email awaiting in her inbox. And here you can see that the status is pending until Chloe accepts our invitation. You can view and edit the access granted to existing roles or add your own by going to the left sidebar navigation and selecting the Roles subheading. Select Add a New Role from this screen and the form to create a new role will pop up. So for this example, I'm going to create a new role called Intern. And I'm going to allow this role to view the records only, meaning not able to edit, create, or print. I don't want this role to be able to access the records from anywhere, so I'm going to change it to access based on allow IP ranges only, so that they can only view it while at the company office. There are 6 areas of customization that you can go through and edit. I'm going to check the box underneath View for each of these items. Next, I'm going to go to Vendors and Purchases. I'm going to do this for the Inventory and Services, Banking, Company, and Report sections as well. Once the role is completely customized to my specifications, I'm going to click Finish to save. If you want to add a role that is similar to an existing role with a few key differences, you can click the duplicate icon to the right of the template role. I'm going to do this with the sales role. I'm going to go to the copy and click the pencil icon to edit. I want to make this new role similar to the sales role, but with limited use. I'm going to limit this role's ability to edit closed orders. To do this, I'm going to click Customer and Sales, and on the first item, I'm going to remove the checkbox under Edit. To save this, I'm going to click Finish. A blue bar will come down from the top of the screen confirming that your role was saved. Thank you for watching this ZarMoney training video. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.